In this video, we'll be talking about how to organize your footage on your computer. Starting off, we're going to go into Finder, and it's always good to have a section or an area on your computer where you can actually store your footage. I have a section called Video Projects that I can store all of my footage into. And today I got this footage from my camera of my friend swinging around a lightsaber. It's only 2 clips, but I'm going to organize it into a new file. And I'm going to show you real quick how I organize and set up my files for clients and other projects. So in the video projects section, I'm going to open up and create a new file. And you can actually use this as a template. You can make this file a template and just duplicate it for future projects. Let's just call this lightsaber video. And then I usually put the date. So today's August 23rd, 2023. And I'm going to come inside here. And once inside this main file, I'm going to make a bunch of separate files to organize my footage and all of my projects and assets together. So starting off, I'm going to create a new folder, name it Media, create another folder, and name it Project Files, Rendered Files, Logos, Fonts, Music, and Sound Effects. Now in the Media file, I put all of my photos, video, and audio. In my Project Files, I put all of the files of like Adobe After Effects, Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, Motion, whatever you use. And then in the Render Files, I put any files that I have rendered in these projects, including the main file and the main video and the versions of it. And then the logos, I put the company logos I'm working with, the fonts that they have, the music I'm going to be using in the video, and the sound effects. Now we're going to go into these two, Media and Project Files, and add sub-files. So inside of Media, add a folder for videos, photos, and audios. And then inside the Project Files, add Motion Graphics, Main Project, and Other. The motion graphics I put, like it says, all of the motion graphics for the video, and then the main project, all of the main project files I put inside this file. And then other could be if you're working in Adobe Audition or Photoshop and you have some other project files that are not quite categorized. You can make your own files for separate things like Photoshop or Audition, but I usually set up my files like this. And there you have it. You can actually just create this as a template, like I said before, and say template. And then every time you have a new project, you can just duplicate this and then rename it whatever project you're working on.